work of art, piece of jewelry, a coin. Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, today this coin is brilliant. It is the Canadian Brilliance 2023 Forever Mark De Beers Ideal Heart. This is a 1 ounce gold proof ultra high relief with a diamond. This is absolutely fantastic and I cannot wait to get into this product and share it with you today. Now, as you can see on the outer packaging, we have the standard Canadian Mint logo, that brilliant maple leaf there, absolutely stunning. A lovely wooden box to house this piece. And let's continue on and take a better look at this coin. Now, I don't know if this is a coin, a work of art, a piece of jewelry, a combination of the three. It is absolutely beautiful. And as I said, I cannot wait to take a better look at it with you. Of course, there you can see the image, Queen Elizabeth II, 2023. It has a face value of $200. And as I turn it over there, you can see why. This is absolutely spectacular. I cannot say enough good things about this coin. Beautiful. Wow. And as I said before, work of art, piece of jewelry, a coin. It really is a combination of all three. We'll take it out of the capsule there. If you think it's stunning within the capsule, wait till you see it without. And as you can see, they really have put some pride into this piece. Their standard effigy there for Queen Elizabeth II, and again $200 face value. This does have a limited mintage worldwide of only 350 pieces, and that Forever Mark diamond in the middle is just so beautiful. It really is a beautiful piece for any collector. Canada is well known for their diamonds. Absolutely spectacular. Look at that diamond shine. The design itself, all of these shapes around that diamond to make a beautiful centerpiece. Just phenomenal. And the fact that it's ultra high relief, even better, to really get that dramatic detail in there and really showcase the Canadian brilliance. Just phenomenal. There we go. You can really get more and more detail as you get closer there. Just that shine within the diamond itself, and also the exterior, these outer shapes. Everything is just glistening there, and it really does embody brilliance. Just an exceptional piece that has been minted so well. And then with the extra addition of this diamond in the center, it's really, really a thing of true beauty. Now the diamond in the center there is 0.23 carat Forever Mark. And that is again the De Beers Ideal Heart diamond. Just in the center of the coin there. Beautiful. And of course it comes from Canada, which is one of the world's leading diamond producers. So as I said before, this is definitely a very special collector's item. And if you'd like to be one of those collectors, you will have to hurry because there are only 350 pieces. And of course, like all of the coins that we unbox here, it is available on our website. That is www.emk.com.